So hey, awesome ones, can I hear a woohoo? Because things are finally starting to open up again, but there's a downside. A lot of you are opening up your closet doors and wondering what to wear, and I'm certainly here to help. Today I have 5 casual outfits for you for spring and for summer, and I even have some scenarios to go with them, so this should be fun. Let's go. So let's get right into my first scenario. And one of the things I'm really looking forward to are those outdoor craft festivals. So let's take a look at what I would wear to that. And I certainly want to look a little more festival-y, if that's a word, with my look. And this beautiful flowing spring-summer dress is perfect for such an occasion. I love the cap sleeves and the little legs showing and the V-neck. I want to be comfy, so I'm wearing my Skechers flats and also a straw hat to keep the sun off. And this beautiful Betsy Johnson necklace and loose bangles adds to the look. And so does the fun straw purse and, of course, my sunglasses. Oh, and by the way, links to a lot of my fashion choices that I'm showing here will be underneath the description of the video or also in the comments. And that beautiful dress that I just showed you, it comes in lots of different colors and also patterns, including floral ones. And I'll be sure to get that into the mix for you. So let's take a look at my second scenario, which is a family brunch at a restaurant. Now I know I weigh my very least in the mornings, so I need to wear something that, something where I can take on the meal and also the 2 extra cups of coffee that I'm going to need to fully wake up. And well, let's take a look at what I chose to wear. And since morning weather is so unpredictable, I'm wearing my Calvin Klein trench coat with its detachable hood just in case it rains. And I also want to look a little dressed up, so I chose this paisley top with trending cutouts over my new beige pants. And my focus here is comfort, so both the top and the pants are super stretchy. And the pants waistband helps to pull in my tummy, so I don't need shapewear. And I decided to wear my crossbody fossil purse and also my slingback shoes to finish off the look. And now for something completely different. It's a day out to the wineries with my hubby or with friends. And because I'll probably spend some time out in the sun, I want to make sure that I stay cool. So let's take a look at this outfit. Now, as most of you know, I'm not one for shorts, so I decided to go with my black skort, which has the built-in shorts inside. And I also decided to wear my aging like a fine wine tee that myself and my daughter created. And one of my followers said that she loves to wear this t-shirt when she goes wine tasting, and she also bought some of her for her friends, and I thought that was a great idea. Again, I want to be super comfy, so I'm wearing my leather-ked sneakers and a mini purse with a cardigan sweater over my shoulders, or I could tie it at my waist just in case those wine barrel tours in the basements get chilly. And by the way, I would love you to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click on the bell. And if you want to chat with me live, I'm live every Wednesday evening at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm at the very top of the page at that time at amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50, and I would love you to join me then. But let's talk about the next scenario. And the next scenario, I thought I would show an outfit for traveling, whether you're going in trains, planes, or automobiles. And it's not only the outfit, I also want to show you what I packed in my handbag. So let's take a look. So it's so important to be comfy when you travel. So of course my outfit has a lot of stretch, starting with these yoga pants and also wearing one of my favorite tops, this wine-colored bell sleeve beauty. On my feet, I have warm socks and also these black comfy Skechers flats. And since we never know how the AC will be in our seats when we travel, I just rolled up that same black cardigan that I wore to the wineries and I put it inside this big faux leather hobo bag. And what else is in the bag? Well, my fold-up Ray-Bans, my regular purse, an umbrella, and even a fold-up packable raincoat just in case I need it when I get to my destination. This is an ingenious idea for traveling. Now for that last look, of course I would be carrying my luggage, but now even for 1 week trips, I only carry a carry-on luggage, and I actually did a video on this a long time ago, and what I'm going to do on the end screen of this video, I'm going to attach that video so you can see how I pack my carry-on luggage. All right, for the next scenario, it's actually an outfit that you can wear almost any time, and I decided to incorporate my white stretchy jeans with this look because somehow when I'm wearing my white jeans, I really know that the warmer weather is here and it's gonna stay for a while, so let's take a look. Now I find that this is a classic casual look. I have my stretchy white pants with my Keds sneakers and this lovely striped shirt that's also stretchy. And I have on stretchy, hey, there's a real theme going on here, Lee jean jacket, and notice the extras. A little frog brooch that I got from one of those craft festivals, and my blue aviator sunglasses, and my crossbody fossil leather bag. Even if the weather got warmer, I could throw my jacket in the car and still look put together. And let me know in the comments what your favorite look was. And if you're feeling a little uncomfortable with some of the looks, like maybe that dress or maybe that skort, I actually think that's good. I think that we have to get out of a 2-year rut and maybe even try a little bit of newness into our wardrobe and go from feeling old to feeling bold. So I'm here to show you how this old gal feels youthful and vibrant and even energetic in some of these new clothes, and I really hope to inspire you to be like that as well. And until we meet again, don't forget to infuse something new into your closet, have some fun, and above all, keep it awesome.